Hello guys, my name is Kashif Raza and welcome you guys to my YouTube channel. Today we learn how to establish an ADB connection via Wi-Fi and how to run ADB commands after establishing the connection. For this purpose, we will have to install two applications. One will be an Android app and one will be a window application. First we install the Android app on our phone. I type here ADB shell command to install my application. Wait for the starting app. It takes some time here. To establish a connection, both the PC and phone must be connected to the same Wi-Fi. Now follow the step 1, download and install desktop app. Click here to download button, press long press to copy the link or click on it to download the app and install on the PC. I click on the link and download the app. Because I already download, so I close it and install my app on the PC. Now I goes to my PC. Let's now we install the app on my PC. I double click here to install my application on my PC. Now I double click on my application to start my application. Here is my application. For establishing a connection between Android app and PC app, both our devices PC and Android phone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, and then I scan my QR code with my Android application to establish a connection between both devices. Now I click on the connect button to scan the QR code of my PC application. Now the connection is created. Both devices are connected. Now we will try to establish the ADB connection between both devices. For this purpose, first we follow the step 2, enable developer options. Goes to the phone settings and first we enable the developer options. System information. Here I see build number. Now I tap on the build number 7 times to enter the developer options. I am already in developer option, therefore I goes into the developer option. And now I here re-enable the USB debugging. Click OK and now click on the wireless debugging and click on button. Here you see two options, PC device with QR code and pair with pairing code. I click on the pair with device with pairing code. Now I enter this pairing code and pairing port in my desktop application to establish an ADB connection. Now I enter here the first pair port and then enter the pairing code to pair both devices for ADB connection. Now you see my phone give me a notification wireless debugging connected successfully. Now our both devices are connected successfully. Now we can run the ADB commands using our desktop application on my phone. Now I click on the search devices and here is shown my the device. Now I run ADB command on our phone by using our run button. Now I click here ADB and type here command devices and click on the run button. Here is shown my device. Now I will try to run the shell command. Here is the version command. Show my version of the ADB. And now I run the shell command on my phone. I click on the shell radio button and type command ls and click run, and here is the result of ls command. Now I click on the disconnect button to disconnect the connection, and now you see the connection is successfully disconnected. So in this way we can run the ADB commands on our phone.